Big development in Bihar NEET paper leak case. The name of the new mastermind now really has emerged in this case. The Bihar police is looking for Sanjeev Kumar, alias Sanjeev Mukhya, who allegedly provided NEET papers to accused Sikandar Kumar. Mukhya was involved in many paper leak cases since 2010. Earlier used to work with Bihar's biggest paper leak Don Ranjit. Now he runs a zone solver gang. Meanwhile, politics has peaked over paper leak, with Tejasvi Yadav's PA, Pritam Kumar, being named by the police here. He will be grilled by the Bihar EOU, and his links with the mastermind Sikandar will be probed. On the other hand, RJD has released images of the current Bihar CM, Deputy CM rather, Samrat Chaudhary, with one of the accused in the case, Amit Anand, who is currently in custody and has confessed to his involvement in the NEET paper leak controversy.
लड़का बीटेक किया था, कंपनी में जॉब करता था, फिर उसके बाद शायद कुछ पॉलिटिक्स का कोर्स यूज़ किया, उसी में वो था। न्यूज़ चैनल से मुझे जानकारी देख रहे हैं, लेकिन मेरा अपना मानना है कि वो निर्दोष ही है। लेकिन जब तक कानून का उस पर जब कानून उसको नहीं कर देता है तो हम कैसे कर सकते हैं? हम कौन होते हैं करने वाले?
जांच हो रही है और उसकी जांच आर्थिक अपराध इकाई भी कर रही है, और ये तथ्य भी सामने आया है कि तत्कालीन उप मुख्यमंत्री और पथ निर्माण विभाग के जो मंत्री थे, उनके निजी सहायक के अनुशंसा पर उन लोगों को एनएच के गेस्ट हाउस में जगह मिली थी। उसकी जांच हो रही है, जो कानूनी रूप से होगा वो कार्रवाई होगी।
Details as far as the investigations in this entire matter is concerned, now that a political link is also emerged. Now, the RJD has released images of the current Bihar Deputy CM, Samrat Chaudhary, with one of the accused in the case, Amit Anand, who is currently in custody and has confessed to his involvement in the NEET paper leak. Getting you details of the solver gang nexus, which is only unraveling right now. Tejasvi Yadav's PA Pritam Kumar has been named by the police as well. He will be grilled by the Bihar EOU, and his links with the mastermind Sikandar will be probed. I'm going to go straight across to Aditya for more details on that story. Aditya, not one but two political links in this case have now emerged. Aditya.
Exactly, Sneha. As far as the entire NEET paper controversy is concerned, of course, the situation is getting grim, and that more linkages and more allegations are being leveled by the opposition as well as the ruling NDA here in Bihar. Notable is the fact that the entire political mudslinging was initiated when Bihar Deputy Chief Minister Vijay Kumar Sinha organized a press conference and categorically claimed that there is the involvement of Pritam, who is the accomplice of Tejasvi Yadav, in the booking of government guest house for the candidates. Notable is the fact that immediately after the press conference, RJD started retorting, and Manoj Jha came ahead with another photograph addressing media and claiming that this is Amit Anand, who is actually seen felicitating in the picture Samrat Chaudhary. So this is something that is turning absolutely political, Sneha, as far as Bihar political landscape is concerned. But then we should remember that there is an EOU investigation on, and the EOU is still demanding the NTA to provide them with the reference sample paper which they need for being matched with the recovered samples in the forensic science laboratory, Sneha.
I'm going to thank you for the moment for getting us those details, Aditya, from Patna, and the very latest as far as that controversy involving paper leak is concerned. Two political names, or rather two political links, have emerged in this case.